In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a logo to your Wix website. Whether you're just starting your site or looking to refresh your branding, adding your logo is a key part of establishing your online presence. So let's jump right into the process. First and foremost, we'll start by heading over to Wix.com. If you haven't already, make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. You'll see a list of websites associated with your account. Navigate to the site where you want to upload your logo and click on Select and Edit Site. Once you've successfully selected your site, it's time to move on to the design aspect. Click on the Design Site button, and this will take you to the Wix Editor, where all the magic happens. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to customize your site's appearance. Now let's focus on uploading your logo. Look for the Media icon in the Editor toolbar. Clicking on this will open up your media library, a space where all your website's media assets are stored. If your logo is not already uploaded here, no worries. We'll do that next. In the media library, you'll see an option to upload your media at the top. Clicking this will open a new window that allows you to choose where to upload your logo from. For most of you, the logo will be stored on your computer, so click on Select from Computer. This will prompt your File Explorer to open, where you can browse through your files to locate your logo. After locating your logo on your computer, select it and click Open or Upload. Your logo will then begin uploading to the Wix Media Library. Once the upload is complete, you'll see a preview of your logo in the library. Now that your logo is in the Media Library, the final step is to add it to your site. Simply select your logo in the Media Library and click Add to Site. This will bring your logo directly onto your web page where you can further adjust its position and size to fit your design preferences. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded and added your logo to your Wix website. It's essential to regularly review your site to ensure everything looks perfect. And remember, having a clear and visible logo can significantly impact the professional appearance of your site. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on uploading a logo to Wix. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Until next time, happy site editing.